yet? I'm fucking hungry, man.
Sorry.
Shit. Where's the potato?
Right here. Did I do it right?
Where's the potato? Okay, that's good. What this? What that?
I turned it off.
Why you turn it off for?
Because the potatoes aren't ready.
Turn it on. And this is the chicken?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let me see.
Ready to go.
Okay, here we go. We dice the chicken. We dice the chicken. Okay, we dice the potato.
We have tea.
Okay, we dice the potato, we boil the potato. We boil the potato. And we get an onion and garlic. You saute the onion and garlic a little bit. Huh? A little bit. So in this situation, put the high flame on. Huh? See what I mean? Put the high flame on. Okay? See, very simple and easy, okay? Okay, you can cook for yourself. Onion and garlic. It's a big fucking deal. Look here, onion and fucking garlic and a fucking diced potato. Then you're gonna put the fucking chicken, diced chicken, salt and pepper shit here. And this one you throw it here. You don't mix it, okay? You finish here. Here, you can't control. Look at the fucking chicken here. You see, I want young people to cook for themselves. Okay, it's very simple and easy. Don't be dependent and eat fucking shit from the street. You get that? If this is a fucking drama, you do that. Okay? Instead, you fucking sit in the internet and playing fucking card games. Okay? You can add a little bit olive oil. Olive oil is good for you. Only cook with olive oil. Okay? Here the fucking potato is boiling. Fantastic. And you get a fucking tomato like this. Just place the chicken first, okay? Don't see the benke anymore, okay? Okay, you see how much onion and fucking garlic and salt and pepper, okay? Here we go. Shake this fucking shit. Here. Here. No, here, you gotta go there. You see the chicken now? You see? Huh? Until you don't see the benky chicken fucking, you get it? Then the chicken is sealed. Sealed properly. Okay? Sealed properly. Seal. Then it's gonna be cooked more when you add that fucking tomato sauce on it. Okay, not much. Okay? You add the tomato sauce on it. Then you get some vegeta, nice. Oh, not much. This is instead of salt. You see? It's a little bit salty, but it's gonna give.
What is that? Vegeta?
Vegeta. It's gonna don't make it. Yeah. Okay? Excuse me. Then the fucking potato. Turn off the flame first. Turn off the fucking flame first. Otherwise, you put the towel in flame. Then you take that shit there. Okay, here we go.
Oh, fuck.
See? Don't do that. Don't do that. You should rest the fucking shit here. Okay? You understand? Okay, finish. Then put the fucking potato there. And you probably add a little bit of fucking water. Yeah? To make it juicy. Here we go. That's it. That's it. Very simple, you see? Excuse me. Then you got the fucking rice here. Okay, here. Then. And you cut the potato so big. I said cut it cube.
I know.
This is too much. You understand what I'm saying?
I like them big.
Huh?
I like them big.
But it will cook quickly when it's smaller. Okay, when you cut it big, you know what I mean? Now the potato. You need to, you see here, that's it, beautiful. Huh? Then you move, excuse me. Then you move to this here, because this is too much now. Fantastic. Want to put a little bit of water on it? Uh-huh. See?
That looks good.
That's it, you see? Soak it a little bit like that. That's it. A little simmer a little bit. Where's the cover? Excuse me. Here. Here. That's it. Beautiful.
How long?
Huh?
How long? When's it done?
Until you see the potato.
I can see the potatoes right now.
Yeah?
I can see the potatoes.
Excuse me.
So you mean it's done?
No, until you see the potato. You take one potato. You take one potato like this. Huh? Huh? Then see the potato. Go like that. Then let me see. You see, still hard. See? It's still a little bit hard. You see?
Yeah.
A little bit hard. See? 1 second. See? See the potato? Hold it in your hand like that. You see? It's not squeezing. So you put it back. That's it. That's it. Give it 5 minutes. Make a little bit of
Salad.
A little bit of salad. See? You can make a salad easy. Half. Huh? Here we go. Tomato is $9 a kilo, alright? $9 a kilo for tomato. Okay? Everything is expensive in Australia. Be careful when you move to Australia. Everything is expensive. The food is very expensive, guys. Okay? The food is very expensive. Save this fucking tomato, okay? Not all of it, okay? Because it's $10 a kilo. $10 a kilo! Okay? People is not eating salad and the fruit is very expensive. The fruit, all you can do banana, just buy fucking banana, that's it. You understand what I'm saying? Everything is expensive. It's awfully expensive. Then you can put a half an onion there. So you got it there, easy. Here we go. Throw this. This back in the fridge. Yeah? See, everything is expensive. Okay? You gotta eat some salad. You know, people, they're gonna have a health problem because the salad is, the vegetable is expensive and the fruit is expensive and the meat is expensive. What the people, they're gonna fucking eat? You understand what I'm saying? You know what I mean? You got it? Everything is expensive. And the rent is expensive. Everything is expensive. And everything is expensive. And can you see? Now, we're gonna put some olive oil. Some olive oil. Yes, you see? And olive oil is expensive. Okay? You're gonna put a half a lemon. Just a little bit of lemon.
Maybe some salt and pepper.
Huh?
That looks good.
You don't need salt and pepper.
Oh no? Okay.
Here, a little bit of salt and pepper here to make you happy. Okay, here we go. Okay, now the rice is over. Here, sorry, have another plate. Here, here. Here we go. Here we go. Okay, have a spoon of rice. That's plenty. Have a spoon of rice. Huh? Have a spoon of rice. Okay. You want more?
Yeah.
Here. Let's see, put it there now. Just put it there. That's it. Yeah. And have a chicken here. Here. Chicken here. Here. Oh, see? Huh?
Oh wow.
The chicken here. Chicken and potato.
It's so good.
Chicken and potato. Look how much is the potato.
I know.
Mixed out, you kind of smaller than that. Huh?
Okay. They're too big.
Okay, you learn. That's it. Finish. Turn it off. Turn it off. Everything off. Everything off. Let me see. Here we go. Here. Here.
You got one?
Here.
Here.
Oh, okay. This is a big one.
Let's try it.
Let me see.
Hot.
Huh? You gotta cook for yourself. It's too expensive to eat outside. You got it?
It's good, bro.
It's good now?
Yeah, very good.
Chicken potato.
Real good.
One breast of chicken, okay? One breast of chicken. You understand what I'm saying? $2.50. You understand? Kilo chicken $10, 4 breasts is 1 kilo. Okay? $2.50 chicken breast. 3 potato. Like half a kilo. Even potato very expensive. Okay? $1.50 potato or $2 potato. Now it's $4.50, right? No?
Yeah. $4.50.
$4.50. And you got the fajita.
Then salad.
And the salad. Say the whole lot. The whole lot. Yeah.
You want some?
No. So the whole lot is gonna cost you how much? How much now?
$4.50. The
Uh-huh.
rice. Cents. You know, don't break.
$10.
Yeah. For 2 meals.
$10.
Oh, actually more.
More than 2 meals. $10, 4 meals. And you can see 2 dickheads eating, you know what I mean? 2 big dickheads, you understand what I'm saying? It's not the kids. You understand what I'm saying? So you don't have to fucking cook for yourself, alright? You know what I mean? You got it? You gotta save money, okay? The world is going through a very bad inflation shit worldwide. You understand? The middle class in China, they are losing the money. They're extremely lost a lot of money. You know what I mean? Middle class become poor, and the poor become under the poverty line. Okay? You gotta cook for yourself, and you eat healthy too. You got it? Otherwise, you're gonna end up, you know, leaving a description. Isn't it right?
Yeah, exactly.
Then you buy fucking medicine the rest of your life. You don't need that shit, alright? Fuck! Cook for yourself, dickhead. This is the start or a warning? A warning or a start?
Warning?
I'm warning them, you know what I mean? You see, everybody is gonna benefit from your fucking misery. You understand what I'm saying? You're overweight, you're gonna go to the gym, you're gonna buy diet food, buy shit, you understand what I'm saying? You're gonna get sick, you're gonna buy a prescription, you're gonna go to the doctor, and the fucking shit going on and on and on and on, unstoppable, you understand? And you take the medication have side effect, you know, then you have another medication pack. Leave what the people used to leave, you understand what I'm saying? Not be dependent on the fucking, huh? You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
The new fucking, you know? Too much food, too much shit, you know? On the shelf, everywhere, you understand what I'm saying? You understand? I don't say all of them is bad, you understand what I'm saying? But at least all of them is expensive, alright?
You know, sometimes it's more expensive to eat healthy.
It's expensive to eat healthy.
It's bad. In America.
You're gonna eat healthy. You know what I mean? You gotta eat healthy, you gotta go for a walk, you gotta go, you know what I mean? You gotta eat healthy. Otherwise, you know? You see what happens is when you eat healthy and you live healthy, you spend less. You eat shit, you spend more, you live shit. What's the point? You spend more money to live like shit. What about that? Are you fucking stupid? Isn't it? Huh? You spend more money to live like shit. Why? You better don't spend money and don't live like shit. Cook yourself. Save money. The world is going to a very bad time now, okay? Many countries going to be a bankrupt. You got Argentina, Nigeria, Kenya, Egypt, Tunisia, Ukraine, you know what I mean? Many. You understand what I'm saying? Huh? Middle class in China lost their assets, lost the money, lost the shit, you know what I mean? Huh? And property. Good, huh? You see that American, they fucking, you know, how they eat, you know? They mix the salad and the food and everything together, you know, like scrambled eggs.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know what I mean? Well, you need a fork to eat that.
I need a spoon.
Here, fork here. The fork there. Give me the spoon. Okay, eat, let me see. Let me see how you eat. You see, you got salad, you got potato, you got chicken. You know what I mean? This meal is cost about 4 meal. Totally cost $10 the whole lot. It's mean $2.50, but $2.50 that you eat, everything is hygienically clean. You wash your chicken, you wash your potato. You understand? You cook with your hand. It doesn't matter if you have your hand in your ass. You know what I mean? But it's your food. You understand what I'm saying? You know? You get it? You understand? You cook your own food. You cook your own fucking food. You get it? Leave it. Here we go. I'm finished now.
Dang.
Sorry. Where this water come from? Okay.
The sink.
Yeah. You see now the potatoes cooked, right? Then you have some salad. No. No. You gotta go to the restaurant, you just order ordinary salad, you know what I mean? At least more than, you know, 10, 15 bucks, you know?
It's expensive for a salad.
Huh?
So expensive for a salad. $15?
Everything is expensive, you know? When you have two children, you know what I mean? You gotta cook for them. Not most of the time take away, you know? Why not? Why? You can save a lot of money, then you can take them for a fucking holiday. You know what I mean? Huh? Because you're fucking lazy, that's all, you know what I mean? Simple thing you can cook, very easy. My son grew up in America, doesn't know how to fucking cook. That's fucking shocking. You understand? That's fucking shocking. You know what I mean? He doesn't know really how to cook. You understand what I'm saying? He doesn't fucking know how to boil a fucking potato. I'm telling you.
That's not true.
But that's bullshit.
That's fucking
Look, that's
bull-
how you cut the fucking potato like a fucking, you know?
That's how I like it. Oh.
You know what I mean? In America, I got to eat fast food. Everything fast.
And bigger.
Then the S become bigger, fast. You know? Not chicken. Can you see? I'm sorry being an asshole and offensive, but you know, I was just scared about you. Understand? Please don't forget to share and like and make a fucking subscribe. Thank you. Yeah. No, fuck, turn it off. That's it, the last one here.